was supposed to warm up. It's only 54 degrees actually. I got a jacket on. I got the rain pants on, but I might have to put the warmer ones on. I bought the same ones that the jacket with the liners, but I guess I should have wore better socks than ankle socks. Little chilly, but at least I'm out riding, and I haven't ridden in so long. God, we've had some terrible weather. It's been like 12 degrees, 14 degrees. It's funny when my pool will run because it's got a freeze unit, so it runs when it's cold, so the pipes don't freeze up. And when it comes out of over the hot tub, it overflows. There's big, huge icicles on each side of the hot tub. Oh, this is dangerous as hell. Let me see if there's another one coming off. Nope. But there's so much construction on this road. Everything's under construction. It's a huge nightmare. I filled my reservoirs in this thing and the clutch and the brakes, the back brake, and I spilled some brake fluid underneath that thing, and it was smoking this morning, but once it burns off, it'll be fine. Stop recording. Well, I think I wore the wrong socks. I got the little ankle socks on that just go in your shoes, and I had to open my vents to warm my ankles up. Oh God, these roads just drop off. I hate these roads. I gotta show you one of these days, but there's always somebody behind me. Oh, he turned. The roads will just be cracked and drop right off like 4 inches, sometimes 6 inches, on every highway. I guess the road bases up here are terrible. It's like, I mean, I came from look, I see you can drop off right there. Came from the Austin area. They don't do that because I guess the ground up there is more solid. Here it's like clay or mud, and they just do a terrible job when they build these roads. All they do is chip seal them. They don't fix them. Stop recording. Well, I guess my Insta turns off after a few minutes. I had to stop and turn it back on. Get back out on the road. There we go. I guess I need a remote. There's some really nice homes up here on 276 going towards Rockwall. Let's see if it... Stop recording. There we go. It turns red when it's recording. It's blue when it's not, but it turns off if I don't use it. I guess I'll leave it on for a couple minutes. There's some nice homes right up here. One guy's even got a little bitty golf course in the front of his yard. It's up here, not too far. If I shut it off, it'll turn off. Yeah, I'll turn it back on in a minute. Stop recording. Well, there's an alien spaceship right there. Crash landed. Ooh. County Line Pizza. I didn't know there was a pizza place there. Up here, some really nice homes on the right side. pretty soon. Yeah, my ankles are warming up a little bit now. Yeah, there's a nice one there, but it's next to a power station. Yeah, those are pretty homes. There's some really nice ones up here. Oh, they're building one back there. I think this is the one with the golf course. See the flags? They got a golf course in their front yard, or a bunch of putting greens. It's really nice. Some beautiful homes up here.